We're at the front of the property. I'm going to do a walkthrough. It might be too close to the trees to see exactly what they are, but you'll have an idea. This is the front, that's the street. So this bush needs to go. The power pole again is the property line. So we need to follow the property line, and anything on that line needs to go. All of this needs to go. Tree trunks, dead trees, anything and everything that you see needs to go. This needs to go. Everything needs to get ready for a block wall going on the property line. We have property on that side. You can see there's houses on that side, there's houses on this side. There is electrical lines, power lines that go across to the other house at the back. This tree is on the property line. The trunk is big, the tree is tall. Here we have a few more. This is what we have on the other side. We need to be careful. Here's power lines also going. Here's another one. There's a few more small ones. There's a power line going to another power pole and going to that house, so we need to be careful. There's a few medium sized. This is a big tree here. Medium sized tree. Another one. Bougainvillea. We need to double check, but possibly also going. This tree needs to go. This one is also big. This is the last one on the property line. We have quite a big trunk. Good thing back here, it doesn't look like there's any structures to worry about, but we have a structure on this side. And then this tree in the back here. Whatever's on the property line again needs to be cut back, please. This is the tree on this corner. This is the fig tree we're leaving. Let me show you the roots, the trunks. This needs to go, please. This needs to go. And this one needs to go. They have a structure right next to it. A house. So we need to be careful. RV. This olive tree stays. So we're looking at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 trees minimum, with shrubs and smaller trees as well.